Here comes the danger up in this club. When we get started, man, we ain't gon' stop. We gon' turn it out till it gets too hot. Everybody sing, hey, yo. Tell them turn it out till they can't no more. Let's get this thing shaking like a disco ball. This is your last one and a courtesy call. Hey, yo. Here comes the danger up in this club. When we get started, man, we ain't gon' stop. We gon' turn it out till it gets too hot. Everybody sing, hey, yo. Tell them turn it out till they can't no more. Let's get this thing shaking like a disco ball.
सो हे गाइस, तो जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हैं ये गेम आप सोच रहे होंगे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खतरनाक सा गेम है यार। तुम यानी कि देख ही सकते हो पोकेमॉन सन एंड मून। भाई आप अगर सोच रहे होंगे कि यार इसके पास निंटेंडो स्विच है तो ऐसी बात बिल्कुल नहीं है दोस्तों, ऐसी बात बिल्कुल नहीं है। ये मैं फ़ोन पे करने वाला हूँ। अरे यार ये लोड हो रहा है। हाँ तो लेट्स बिगिन विद योर कैरेक्टर। तो कैरेक्टर तो हमारा मेल ही है। नाम मैं इसका नाम रखूँगा रेड। ये तो RED। देखा ना, निकनेम ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट्स। ओके ओके यार इज़ामो रेड। ओके या find the weakness of the counter type. Go visit. Hey hello here you are at last. Welcome to Alola. I have been waiting for you for a long time. Have you access to the weather here in Alola? How about life on the island? Are you settled? जाने दो यार, ये बड़बड़ की होगी। क्या? To help you get around faster, I will introduce you to someone your age who can act as your guide on this island. Complete. अच्छा ठीक है। His name is How and he is nearby as a very passionate guy. He will be friend of yours. Auto routing. अच्छा okay. Wow, you must be the new trainer. Professor Cuckoo mentioned you. Alola. Sorry, you don't know what aloha means. Aloha ही था. It's Alola's unique greeting. When meeting your friends, you should say aloha. Oh, you have one Pokemon, but in Alola region, one Pokemon is not enough. Okay, task complete. You need to get one more powerful Pokemon. I'll tell you a secret. Professor Cookies is giving a lecture on tips for the capsule. Oh, ये क्या चल रहा है यार? Go there, Aspa. The doctor will teach you how to get a new Pokemon via the capsule station. What you will get? I'm very excited just thinking about it. Okay, यहाँ पे टच करने की बोल रहे तो करते हैं अभी. How is right. Trainers should carry more than one Pokemon in Alola. Well, I'll teach you how to use capsules. यार complete ये क्या होता है? लेवल बढ़ती है हमारी इससे. हाँ, don't be nervous. It's simple. Check this out. Okay. क्या करें यार यहाँ पे? Capsule. Okay. Please wait. Buy 1x. Rare candy is bought. Ultra ball. Okay. Please wait. Okay. Gift. Oh, master ball. मास्टर बॉल से चारमेंडर. वाह यार, चारमेंडर में क्या मेरे को मेरा फेवरेट है वैसे भी. ओके, प्लीज वेट. फर्स्ट ओपन द मेन्यू फंक्शन. पोकेमॉन कंप्यूटर level 5. टेक आउट. Wow, amazing, huh? You gained a new Pokemon. Go to auto routing. यार ये auto routing बड़ा अच्छा है. Wow, your new Pokemon looks cool. Well, do you want to see its power? Come and battle. You should be careful because I will show you no mercy. अच्छा, battle होने वाली है हमारी. Start the battle with how? Okay. गलत. Go out, Pikachu. No, यार, I want to change my Pokemon. No, Pikachu. Fight. Pokemon. Pikachu. Okay. Should I do Thunder Shock? But how does it do? I don't know, yaar. Oh, tap to speed up. Oh, is wow. The another party's Pokemon have all fallen. You won the battle. I was not accepting that, yeah. What? OMG. How come I lost? Wow, yaar, कैसी English है यार. Well, you are a good trainer indeed. I just wanna remind you that only mastering combat skills are not enough. यार complete कितने बार होता है. You should go find the traces कैसे हैं? Sorry यार, but मैं ये नाम नहीं पढ़ सकता. And learn more. I will leave you to it. Okay. I don't like to go to school. The books he gave me already in my room. Well, see. यार क्या हमें कुछ खेलने में मिलने दोगे कि नहीं दोगे यार? तुम तो ऑटो रूटिंग ही कर रहे हो. Big Cell, you don't want to miss it. Alola newbie super trainer training is now only of 19. Best ever bill. Hey you are a new trainer and you don't seem familiar with the area. You ask me how do I know? It's your eyes, they are telling me everything. You must work harder. Wait, you lad, I kinda appreciate you. Here this Alola super training. I will give it to you, okay? You will be starting the study now. I will teach you how to make Pokemon follow you. You can go ask Professor Cuckoo about leveling up. Okay. Then where shall we go? Pokemon. Visible. Okay. Yeah, this means auto routing only. Oh. You are looking for Tracy Sketch. That guy is always handing out new trainer manuals. I'm speechless. I said this way of selling will lose you everything. Forget about it. Okay. You want to know about the Pokemon rank up? That's very important. I will bear the responsibility to teach you well. Now that you know about ranking up, so go find Sopical in outskirts, for he will teach you how to catch Pokemon. Alright, watch closely. Okay. Then where shall we go now? Please wait. Yeah, the internet is not working properly now. Okay. Break up. But unform rank up. Oh wow. Like this way to rank up. Auto routing. It's so nice, but this all countless wild Pokemons in the wilds. Don't you want to catch one in person? Don't know how to capture Pokemon? Don't worry, I am here to guide you. Arey yaar. Remind you a lot of Pokemon in the wild grass. Remember to bring Pokeballs with you. अरे यार कितना auto routing करोगे? Oh, Charmander! Did we find the Charmander? Wow, bro. Wow. Okay. saying to use Ultra Ball, but I didn't want to, but let it be. Wow, gotcha. Yeah, your style is the guru. Very much good. Okay, then now we have to talk to him. Haha, you learned so fast. Congratulations. You have mastered the skill of capturing Pokemon. It's a must for trainer. Okay. Oh, please wait, yeah. This is internet issue, yeah. Internet issue. I can't do anything with it. Okay, next you can try to evolve and awaken your Pokemon. Then find Tracy around. Okay. Internet issues here. Sorry for that, but it's loading now. Okay, I will skip this part. Okay, the internet connection is back though. Okay. Now please wait. What? Okay. Awaken. Allow. Oh, sorry. Swallow. Swallow. Oh ho ho ho. Then evolution. Oh shit man, yaar, I don't want to evolve my Charmander, but I have to evolve because it is. But evolution, did you saw it? It was a very different evolution, huh? Wow. 10. You must wanted 10. Okay. Navigation, auto routing always works, no? Find the professor. Okay, Pokemon. Now it's working fine. Yeah, it's little bit okay. Auto routing. Come on here, fast it. Yeah, Professor Kukui. It was I was right about you. You passed through the most basic course in such a short time. How just told me you are very strong. He seemed to regard you as a rival. Oh wow. Okay. Speaking of that, his grandfather was the king of Melime Island. He asked me to give you a Rowlet. Please take care. Rowlet. Wow, man. Okay, he should be back today. You can meet him. Howlo, sweetie. What is that? Check out. बस भाई ये टास्क खत्म होने के बाद मैं वीडियो को एंड कर दूंगा. अगले वीडियो में कर लेंगे वो. ओके, तो नाउ टैप द क्वेस्ट. सो गाइस, ये तो बीच में आ ही गया है. ओके, तो ये क्या कर रहे हैं देख लेते हैं, इसकी बात सुन लेते हैं. ओहो, पॉपुलर. वाओ ब्रो, वाओ, रियली. हाँ, okay. On the island communicator, I also want to join the island, but my mother said that I must grow up first. Come on. Okay, we will withdraw the Pokemon here. Now we are knowing about it. You don't know. I don't teach here. Okay, so that is it for this episode, because this tasks will continue. Okay, then if any यानी कि कोई अर्जेंट सा टास्क होता है इसमें, तो मैं आपको यानी कि रिकॉर्ड करके अगले वीडियो में दिखा दूंगा. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. और दोस्तों, ये सीरीज़ जो है, ये और पोकेमॉन एडवेंचर रेड चैप्टर्स दोनों भी साइड बाय साइड चलेंगे. तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.